Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. Thumbs up, give this video a like. Please watch to the end, and of course make sure your notifications are turned on and subscribe, so this way you would be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for coming, and of course I am always happy to bring you guys another video today. And so in today's video I created this very soft makeup look for you guys. If I come a little bit close, you would see what the actual makeup look like. And I kicked it back old school just a little bit, and I went in with this Melt eyeshadow palette, and I really forgot how much I love this palette. Okay, now there are a couple of colors that I did use. Angelito, which is on the lid, and this, and the other one is called Lagrimas, I think it is, which is a beautiful soft matte green. And I kept it really subtle, and I really love the way this is turned out. Again, really subtle, very simple, very soft makeup look. So you guys know how I prep my skin already, all of the products that I use and all of that, so we did skip that step. And you guys are going to see how I came up with this makeup look. Every single thing I use on my face I would list in the description box for you guys. And of course, don't forget to check out sassyOver55.com. I have great giveaways planned for this year, so please check out the website. It's going to be down below for you guys. And of course, I sprayed my unit today with this leave-in conditioner. This is from Carol's Daughter. I'm going to leave it down below for you guys just in case you want to pick it up. This unit is called Fendi, and I got this from wiget.co.uk. It's been 5 years. And this unit does not have a dry end. The edges are not dry. This wig looks like brand new. And I always like to spray this down because this helps to keep my all of my units nice and conditioned. Keep it very soft, prevents it from drying out, and keep the ends nice and moist, and it feels really good. You can spray this on your natural hair as well. It's great for a leave-in conditioner, and this is the look for today. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please thumbs up this video, watch the video to the end, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Toodles.